to the second mimer of that year, the year Tafshin Lamed Daled. There's another mimer that the Rebbe said, Matzoi Zois Chanukah. B'siyat Yishmayim Matzoi Zois Chanukah, Tafshin Lamed Daled. So it begins with the pasuk, Imcha Makor Chayim, with you is the source of light, באורך Nirאה, with your light, light will be seen. Hine HaPirush HaPashut B'pasuk Zed, the simple meaning of this pasuk, Sheboi Maschilim Kama V'Kama Drushim Shemei Chanukah. With this pasuk, many mamarim of Chanukah begin with this pasuk. Hachal Matoider Rabbeinu Hazakim, beginning with the Torah of the Alter Rebbe. He has a Chanukah mamarim with this pasuk. V'chein Drush Anasim Emal Mekayim Yachrim B'Dor L'Dor, and so was mamarim of the Rabbeim that took his place from generation to generation. Ad Drushik V'Yitz Maracham Admur Sidreinu, till mamarim of my father-in-law, the leader of our generation, the Frierdiker Rebbe, that also has a Chanukah mimer beginning with this pasuk. So what's the simple meaning of this pasuk? Line 6, Hushakadosh Baruch Hu Mekor Chayim L'chol Ha'inyanim Sheyeshna Ba'olam. Hashem is the source of life for all matters that are to be found in this world. Valzen Nemar, concerning this, it says, Ki Imcha Mekor Chayim, with you is the source of life. Imcha Daika. It says specifically with you. It should have said Ata Mekor Chayim. You are the source of life. What's it mean with you? Shemoira al davar hatafel. This indicates that it's something ancillary. It's something less than Hashem Himself. Something that's with Hashem. This idea that Hashem is the source of life is only something that's secondary to Him. It's not Hashem's very being Himself. Like the well-known expression of the Alter Rebbe, that's not the core principal idea of godliness, that the worlds come into being from Hashem. Hashem is way higher than the power and the idea of bringing the worlds into being. Because when the pasuk continues, in your light we will see, or light will be seen. The very life itself that we say comes from Hashem in a way of something that's secondary and ancillary. The life could be in a way of light, or it could be the opposite of light. So that's what the continuation of the pasuk is saying. It has to be in a manner of light. How is the life in a way of light? It's by drawing down the light from your light. That's why it says, if you have your light, so then light will be visible in that life. What is this light that's called your light? And simply put, this idea that the candle is a mitzvah and the Torah is light. It illuminates the entire life. This means that not only does the light illuminate to see what actions should be done and what these are the actions should not be done, in addition to this, through this, our lives become luminous lives, illuminated lives through the Torah mitzvahs, as he will explain going on. Ois Beis, line 20, bottom of the page. This will be understood according to what's explained. In the meaning of the pasuk, it says, see, I have placed before you life and good, etc., and you should choose in life. Seemingly, it's not understood. The top of page Yud Beis. How could you say, and you shall choose? The fact that someone has to tell us to choose something, that means there's a possibility to do otherwise. It's a possibility to choose something else. It means there's some type of doubt in the matter. Because there are reasons this way to go, and there's reasons to go that way. That's where choice applies. If there's, I can do this and I can do that, and there's reasons, logical reasons, reasons that make sense to a rational human being to choose A, and there's rational reasons to choose B. So now I can say, you know what, choose A, don't choose B. But in this case, the lechura kivin shezau inin shel chayim, since the idea of Torah mitzvah is the idea of life, it's clear without any doubt that everybody desires and wants life. It's impossible to say about it, and you shall choose, which means free choice, free will, when you have life on one end and you have the opposite of life on the other end. So therefore, the Rebbe is going to explain as we go on that life itself, you can have two types of life, and that's the choice over here. You could have true life, which is connected with the true existence of Hashem, and then you could have physical life. That's not true life because it's not connected with true existence. So since you have two things of life, therefore you have a choice not between life and the opposite of life, at least not externally. Externally, you have a choice between life A and life B, physical life or real life, which is spiritual life.